Hi, this is Brian Resney, President of Resney Wealth Management. Couple questions that are coming in a lot, fast and furious, on my TV and my radio shows on Sunday. One is, where do I expect oil prices to go? And number two, interest rates and bonds. Well, of course, I can tell you interest rates and bonds I expect either to stay fairly stable or move up slowly. It's going to hurt bond investors. So if you're over allocated in bonds, look out, your retirement could be at risk. If you are looking at the oil market, I hate to give predictions on oil, but bottom line is this. I think oil will stay lower than we've seen in the last 5 or 6 years, simply because of fracking, supply and demand, and technology. What does that mean? I think we're going to see between $60 and $70 oil prices the next 3 to 5 years. So lower than normal, which ultimately helps the consumer. So I would look for other areas to invest in that give you a better total return or opportunity picture. I firmly believe the U.S. is going to be one of the better places to invest. We continue to love, small cap equities and mid cap in the U.S. over large cap, but I would look at equal weight the S&P, share buybacks, and things of that nature within the U.S. If I look at Europe, at this point we've had a nice bump up in Europe with really no growing economic events, and I would really avoid Europe at this point and look at more U.S.-centric. But the bottom line, don't expect oil prices to skyrocket. I would say $60 to $70 oil is probably going to be a range we'll see the next 3 to 5 years that ultimately will help the consumer. And remember, in the U.S., 70% of our economy is the consumer spending, and every consumer benefits from lower oil. And ultimately, I think we're going to see that in the second half of this year, meaning there's a great opportunity for U.S. equity stocks, to outperform as we get into the second part of 2015. If you're not a client of our firm, give us a call. Maybe it's time you became a client. Real investment strategy, real risk management, no shenanigans or conflicts of Wall Street. We work for you. Have yourself a safe and profitable day.